Hey guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to export query results from Oracle SQL Developer. So to make this demo, I am going to just execute this query, select star from employees here. So you'll see I have a lot of results and I would like to export into different format, right? To export this result on this result window, just you will have to click right. And here you can see the option export. Once you open, then export wizard will be opened, and here you have a many format to export your results. So you can export a CSV, Excel, JSON, etc., right? So here just I'm going to show you in one format. Let's say JSON. The rest of the things you can do yourself, right? So just I would like to export my result in JSON format, right? Here, even though if you want to export in basically insert format, you can do. Apart from, you have a PDF, text, XML, etc., right? Now here you will have to choose save as. So just I am going to export all my data into a single file. So just I am choosing single file. Now here you will have to choose your location where you'd like to basically export your data, result. So just I'm going to select one directory in D drive, database export. Yeah, and of course this file name you can change, but I'm just keeping as export.json, and after that you will have to click on next, right, and then finish, and you are done. If you go to this location, right, then here you can see one file is having 23 KB size. If I open this file in Notepad++, then you could see all the data has been exported in the form of JSON. So guys, it's very easy to export your query results from Oracle SQL Developer. So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.